and hit like to have all my videos uploaded. Ramadan Kareem. What's the best investment in life? What's the matter in which you invest? You will have a lot of benefits after that or during your life. Quran and Islam told us that the best investment for anyone is his obedience for his parents. Obedience of the parents is the best way and the fastest way to enter paradise. Don't make your parents, your mom and the father, angry from you. All the time, try to get their satisfaction. Such satisfaction will lead you to the highest degree in life and in the life hereafter. All Muslims do their best to have their parents' satisfaction. All the time, the true Muslim should be aware of his parents. When they alive, he obeys them and take care of them. When they are dead, both of them or one of them, he should remember them all the time and recite the opening surah of the Holy Quran on their soul. As children, we learned that paradise is under the feet of mothers. Why? Because the mother did her best to bring her children up well. She was pregnant for 9 months with the child, and after giving birth to him or her, she started the process of education and learning for his son or her daughter. The process of education for a child is the hardest process in this life. He needs a lot things to be done for him. So paradise is under the feet of the mothers. The father does his best to bring his children up well. He works all the time to get money for them, to support them, to make them learn in the best way. Allah in the Holy Quran warns us from disobedience of parents. Don't make your parents angry from you at any occasion, at any situation. All the time, try to make them satisfy with your work, with your deeds. Allah help us to get the obedience of our parents. Allah have mercy on my dead father. Allah make our children obey for us all the time. Allah be with us all the time. Allah be with us all the time. Allah be with us all the time. Amen. 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 Peace be upon you.